Hey guys, I've recently posted a video about my favorite Mac keyboard shortcuts, and in today's video I'm going to show you even more useful shortcuts to make your life easier. So starting off, one of the keyboard shortcuts that I use the most whenever I'm typing a message, email, or a document is Control Command Space. So if I press Control Command Space, this emoji box opens and I can simply select the emoji that I'd like to use. Now, whenever you're typing a document, there are extremely useful shortcuts that you can use. So if I type, this is a test for the video, and select this, I can bold-face the selected text by pressing Command B. So every time that I press Command B, I can either bold-face the text or turn bold-facing off. If you want to italicize the selected text, you can press Command I. So Command I to turn it on, or Command I again to turn it off. In case you want to underline the selected text, you can press Command U. So every time you press Command U, you can turn underlining on or off. So Command U to turn it off, Command U again to turn it on. Now let's say you want to add a web link. So I'm gonna type, this is the link for YouTube. Instead of doing this and having the link in your document, which I don't think is visually pleasant, I can simply copy this link, Command C. Then I can select the YouTube and press Command K. Now, because I'm using Google Docs, it already knows that I want to insert the YouTube link. But if by any chance you had a different link, you could simply paste your link right here in this box. So Command V and apply. And another really useful shortcut for documents is the Command S. So every time that you press Command S, you can save the current document. Now that I'm using Google Docs, I don't need to do this because Google Docs saves all the documents automatically for me. But let's say we're using Pages. Let me go here to the desktop and open Pages. New document, create. And now I'm gonna type again, this is a test for the video. If I press Command S right here, it's going to ask me the name that I want to save this document as. So this is a test. Let me say test for the video. I can insert the tags that I want and I can choose where I want to save it. So I'm going to choose iCloud, and then I can simply click save, and that's it. And now going back to Safari, I can simply press Command L to select a URL. So instead of, let's say we're here on Apple's website, instead of going here at the top, clicking and then selecting my text, I can simply press Command L. And that's it. Then if you want to copy and paste this website somewhere else, you can simply press Command C, go to the place that you want to paste this URL, and then press Command V. That's it. And now let's say I want to force quit Safari. Anytime that you're using an application and you want to force quit this application, you can simply press Option, Command, Ask. So let's do this right now. Option, Command, Ask. This box will appear for you, and in my case, it's going to ask if I want to force quit Safari. Then I simply click on force quit again, and that's it. If you want to immediately lock your screen, you can press Control Command Q. So Control Command Q, and you're taken straight to your lock screen. So let me go back to the desktop, type my password, hit enter, and go back. Now, as you can see, my SSD is plugged into my computer, but if by any chance I want to eject it, I don't have to right click and then click on eject. I can simply press Command E, that it's going to eject it automatically. So Command E, and that's it. Now, if I want to open the downloads folder, I can press Option Command L. So Option Command L. And if I want to open the AirDrop window, I can press Shift Command R. So Shift Command R. One shortcut that I use all the time is also Command W to close open application. So if I want to close this Finder window, I can simply press Command W. Now, if by any chance you want to show or hide the dock, which is this area right here at the bottom of the display, you can press Option Command D. So I can press Option Command D to hide it and Option Command D again to show the dock one more time. To open a new Finder window, I can press Command N, and I can press Command Shift N to create a new folder. So I'm gonna click here on Desktop and press Command Shift N. Now I just have to rename this folder, so I'm gonna rename it as Test, hit Enter, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go inside this folder and I'm gonna create another one to show you another shortcut. So this is the test folder. I'm gonna go inside it, create a new one and name it as current folder. So here you can press Command and up arrow to open the folder that contains this current folder. So instead of going back by clicking on this arrow right here, I can simply press Command up arrow that it goes back to the previous folder. And if by any chance you want to open this folder right here in a new window, you can simply do, let's go back to this one, and you can simply press Command, Control, up arrow. Then instead of just going back to the previous folder, you're going to go back, but you're gonna open it in a new window. I use this all the time whenever I'm copying files or I want to organize my folders. I feel like it's really useful to have both of them open. So these are the additional shortcuts that you must know on macOS. Please let me know down below what you think about the video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.